Plastic. Plastic is creating a 400-year problem. That's 16 generations of human being. About 91% of plastic are not recycled. Plastic use as much fossil fuel as airlines. About 99% of plastics cause climate change. Also, marine animals are under threat. 1 million seabirds die every year, ultimately affecting us. We are eating plastic. About 1/4 of fish have plastic in their guts. We are also drinking plastic. About 83% of tap water samples contain plastic. We are also breathing plastic. Microplastics are linked to the air pollution. In the past 60 seconds, 3 billion plastic bags and bottles were sold. Half of the world's plastics comes from Asia. Governments, manufacturers, retailers, consumers must come together for a solution to tackle about plastic pollution. Human activities that affect the environment.
Why is environment important? The environment plays an important role in healthy living and in the existence of life in planet Earth. Environment is a home for different living species, and we are all dependent on the environment for food, air, water, and other needs. Environment includes everything from the oceans to the forest, impact every area of life. Number 1, people depends on the environment for their livelihoods. Number 2, caring for environment creates more jobs. Number 3, diverse environment strengthens food security. Number 4, trees cleans the air. Number 5, environment provides medicines. Number 6, unhealthy environment could kill children. Number 7, being in nature improves mental health.
The data and statistics of plastic consumption in the Philippines.
So based on the data statistics shown, the Philippines is considered the third largest contributor to plastic waste worldwide, contributing to an estimated 0.75 million metric tons of ocean plastic every year. The Philippines is notorious for irresponsible trash haulers and open dump sites that cause the plastic to spill into the seas. Contrary to popular belief, however, this waste is not solely generated by the country alone. The Philippines is only one among the many Southeast Asian countries that receive illegal imports of plastic waste from developed countries. This is our chosen problem because it is one of the longest problems that our country is facing due to a lack of sanitary landfills and strict restrictions of building new ones.
The problem 3. The high rate of consumption of plastics. Our team conduct a research about the problem of the Philippines, and we come up the high rate of plastic consumption in the Philippines. Let's start at the bottom of the problem 3. Low public awareness and knowledge of proper disposal of garbage can cause low rate of waste segregation system of the Philippines, poor practices of disposing plastics and garbages, low rate of practice of 3R, reuse, reduce, and recycle. Low people compliance towards wage management of the Philippines, and because of it can cause the mismanage of plastic waste. Another one is the rapid urbanization and population growth, and poorly implementation of RA 9003 or an act providing for an ecological solid waste management program, creating the necessary institutional mechanism and incentives, declaring certain acts prohibited and providing penalties, appropriating funds, therefore, and for other purposes, can cause overusing of single-use plastic products. And because of it, poor practice of Filipino people toward usage of plastics. The third one is lack of participation of private companies and businesses. The another one is lack of government investments towards innovative economics. Can cause lack of innovation and facilities in management of plastic waste. The last one is the lack of governmental programs to assess people to manage and recycle of available plastic waste. Can cause lack of mandatory programs in school to save the environment, lack of communication or community participation, can cause the lack of volunteerism, capacity, leadership, and essence of responsibility to the environment of the people of the Philippines. And that is the causes of the high rate plastic consumption in the Philippines.
Serious effects of plastic pollution. Plastic pollution can alter habitats and natural processes, reducing ecosystems' ability to adapt climate change, directly affecting millions of people's livelihoods, food production capabilities, and social well-being. Here are some serious effects of plastic pollution. 1. Negative effects of human health. Scientists have found microplastics in 114 marine species, and around one-third of these ends up with our plates. 2. It upsets the food chain. Because it comes in sizes large and small, pollution plastic even affect the world's tiniest organisms such as plankton. 3. Groundwater pollution. 4. Land pollution. When plastic is dumped in landfills, it interacts with water and forms hazardous chemicals. 5. Air pollution. Burning of plastic in open air leads to environmental pollution due to the release of poisonous chemicals. 6. It kills animals. 7. It is poisonous. 8. Cleaning plastic is expensive.
We conduct aims and objectives of the problems to reduce the rate of plastic consumption in the Philippines. We include 4 rules and regulations, policies, bills, ordinances, and Republic Acts. The first one is implementing programs, seminars, proposals in every barangays about proper disposal of garbage, including exchanging plastic into foods like rice. This for better and improved management of plastic waste. The second one is revising and amend the RA 9003 to improve the law itself and better implementation, to enhance and improve practices of Filipino people toward usage of plastics. The third one is implementing policies, rules, and procedures in private and public establishments, companies of plastic materials, and innovative plans for better innovation and facilities in management of plastic waste. The fourth one is implementing more programs and mandatory involvement of beneficiaries of 4Ps, scholarship, and other governmental benefits in school, communities, and barangays for better improve volunteerism, capacity leadership, and essence of responsibility to the environment of the people of the Philippines.
Reducing plastic waste. Why is it important? Reducing plastic waste is important because numerous advantages come with reducing our plastic trash, not the least of which are the preservation of natural resources, environmental protection, and financial savings. Lowering the amount of new raw materials used will prevent pollution, which is one of the advantages of reducing plastic usage and conserves energy. It also reduces greenhouse gas emissions, which are contributing to climate change.